Hi everyone, it's Yana. Here are 6 weeks old nails. This model doesn't like her nails long, so she used to nip them. Later on, I asked her to file the length off instead of nipping, as nipping damages the coating. Still, that's a pretty good result for gel polish, don't you think? Let's begin. As always, first of all, removing the old coating. I didn't finish the little fingernail from the beginning because when working with first nail, not always I feel confident enough to go ahead and work in the area with the most thin layer of gel straight ahead. So I returned to finish it once I felt more confident. Shape the nails. Then smooth the surface out and remove the shine from the grown out part of the nail. Then I push back the eponicum. After that, using e-file, remove the cuticle from the nail plate. Uh-oh, I nicked the sinus. My bad. Nonetheless, it can happen to anyone. No worries, I know what to do in such a situation. Use antiseptic and then liquid styptic. That happened because I used too coarse bead for this skin type, and also I shouldn't stretch the skin in sinus area while working there. My teacher warned me, but here I am. I would also like to take this opportunity to let you know that the implements I work with pass through all of the stages of sanitation, such as cleanse, disinfection, and sterilization. So I'm 100% positive my clients and models can't get any kind of infection or disease from my services. Let's continue now. Without speed up in this part of video, you can see me nipping the dead skin. Behind the scenes, I applied dehydrator and primer, and now is the time for the base coat. Here is the first coat, black gel polish. as an undercoat for the next coat of gel polish with a chameleon effect. This unusual color changes from blue to purple depending on the surrounding light. Using top coat, smooth out the surface. And voila, just look at these pretties. This is one of my best colors. I will see you next time.